Welcome back to AI Path. This is the final video in our NemoClaw series. We'll cover the production readiness checklist, monitoring and observability, scaling considerations, and what's on NVIDIA's roadmap for NemoClaw. First, the reality check. NemoClaw is in early preview as of March 2026. NVIDIA explicitly says it's not production ready. So why are we talking about production? Because the architecture is solid, the direction is clear, and enterprises should start planning now. When you evaluate NemoClaw for your organization, here's the checklist. Infrastructure: do you have NVIDIA hardware? RTX, DGX Spark, or DGX Station? Can you run Docker in your environment? Security review: has your security team reviewed the OpenShell architecture? Do they understand the 4 policy layers? Network planning: map out every endpoint your agents will need. API keys: get NVIDIA endpoint access from build.nvidia.com, and policy definition: write your YAML policies before onboarding. Monitoring and observability. NemoClaw gives you several tools to see what your agents are doing. The operator TUI, accessed via OpenShell term, shows real-time requests, approvals, and denials. The logs command streams agent activity. The status command gives you a health check of each sandbox. For enterprise monitoring, you'll want to pipe these logs into your existing observability stack: Datadog, Grafana, Splunk, whatever you use. Watch for blocked network requests; they might indicate legitimate needs or potential security issues. Watch for memory spikes: the sandbox image plus Docker plus OpenShell can use significant RAM. Now let's look at what's on NVIDIA's roadmap. The most anticipated feature is local inference going GA. Right now, local models via Llama and VLLM are experimental, but once stable, you'll be able to run everything on premises with zero cloud dependency. Podman support for macOS is coming. More policy presets for enterprise tools. Production hardening, which means stable APIs, performance optimization, and official support tiers. And likely multi-tenant support for organizations running many sandboxes. NVIDIA is iterating fast. The community Discord is active, and there's already a community repo called Awesome NemoClaw with presets, recipes, and playbooks. Let's compare NemoClaw to the alternatives. If you just run OpenClaw by itself, you get a powerful agent but no security guardrails. If you use Docker alone, you get container isolation but no network policy, no inference routing, and no operator approval workflow. If you build custom security, you're spending months on something NemoClaw gives you in one command. NemoClaw is the only solution that combines all 4 layers: network, file system, process, and inference, specifically designed for AI agents. Here are the key resources to get started. The GitHub repo at github.com/nvidia/NemoClaw. The official docs at docs.nvidia.com/NemoClaw. The NVIDIA product page at nvidia.com/AI/NemoClaw. And the community Discord for questions and sharing. Start the repo, join the Discord, and start experimenting. And that wraps up our 5-part NemoClaw series. Let's recap. NemoClaw is NVIDIA's open-source security stack that makes it safe to run OpenClaw agents in enterprises. 4 security layers. Declarative YAML policies. Operator approval workflow. Runs on RTX PCs all the way up to DGX Spark. It's early preview now, but the architecture is solid and the enterprise direction is clear. If you found this series helpful, subscribe for more AI Path content. Thanks for watching.